Hey, what is up guys, this is FNH here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product called the Ginour Auger. Okay, so basically what an auger is, it's a drain cleaner, right, and this is an electric one. Okay, I got this on Amazon for around, I believe you can get it for around $80, that's what I paid for. I think maybe I got it for slightly less, around $75 because of some Prime deal. But I think it goes for $80 on Amazon, right? And I've used it, and honestly, it's pretty good. I was pretty amazed by it. You know, previously all the drain cleaners that I had were just manual, right? So basically handheld, right? And those can require a lot of work. So it's really good to have an electric one just in your tool shed or tool compartment, you know, because it can come in useful. So we got this box. Okay, that's the first thing that comes out. Alright, this I believe it's empty, but this is basically where the power cord goes. This is the actual drain cleaner. It is kind of heavy, right? Especially because the whole coil is right over here, right? So that's that. Next we have the manual, right? So you guys can read that, get more specific on how to use it, and you know, what's the best way to use it. Last but not least, we have this, which is the power cord, which originally goes in this box, but you know, it came out. So yeah, that's the power cord. That's that auger, and this is the battery pack. Alright, so it is wireless, which is really good because especially if you're in the bathroom or kitchen or something, you know, the last thing you want is a wire to get in your way while you're working. Okay, so let's plug this in and basically see how it works. So before you plug it in, you gotta press this button, take off the top, right? So the top is put on when you're charging it, so it kind of acts like a protector, right, as well as a converter to make it charge. Alright, so we have that there. Next we just want to slide that in from the back. Once we hear the click, that means it's on good. Alright, so now I'll show you guys basically how to use this. It is very similar to a drill, right? You know, just like any other electric drill, but it has slightly more options. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, you'll know there's a trigger over here, and there's these buttons over here similar to a electric drill, right? When it's in the middle, it's locked. When it's pushed to this way, you can see it coming out a little. When I push it that way, you can see it go back in. Right, and you can see this thing rotating. And also another nice feature there is a light in front when you press it, right? So that's pretty good. So you know, it just gives you some seeing light while you're looking down the drain. So let's push this way, and we can see it come out. So the way to use it is pretty simple. You want to take out some, right, around this much, or maybe you can do a little more, right? And you want to put it in the drain using your hand, because not all drains are wide open. Some usually have some not even mesh, but just some metal holding in there. So you want to, you know, just make sure, put it with your hand so it properly goes in. And then once it's in there, all you have to do is just press it. So let me just hold it so it doesn't woggle around. So you can see it's coming out, right? Let me put it back in a little. So yeah, next we have this. So there's three options to this. There's the back, middle, and forward. Okay, so they work very similarly, because when it's in the middle, it basically means it's not going to move up or back. Okay, not even depending on if you press this. This basically would just change the rotation counterclockwise and clockwise, but it won't get out or go in more. So you can see. Let me do it the other way. See, it's pretty much the same. Okay, so that's that. And now if we push it back, back was the one you saw initially, if going front and back. Let's do forward. Let's see what that does. So you can see it's coming out, and now you can see it go back in. So it's just a lot of different features. You can read the manual to get more details on it, but overall I've used this pretty good. You do want to, this is kind of heavy, so obviously you want someone who gets tired pretty easily doing it. So you just want to make sure that you are able to handle it. Overall, it's good. It's a lot better, quicker, faster than using a manual one with just your hand, right? So yeah, let me know what you guys' thoughts are. I'll leave a link in the description below on where you can get this. It is from Amazon for around $80. Me personally, I think it's worth the money. So yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.